Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Thegoodenoughguycrafts channel one more time with Mr. Shannon. So today we are going to unbox this Hercules 7¼ inch battery powered table saw. I have lots of Hercules stuff. I'm unboxing this a little at a time as I need it for projects. Today, the circular saw. So this guy requires or wants to use the 5 amp hour battery for maximum performance. I currently have a 2.5 amp hour battery that's fully charged for this system. I'm just going to use this. I only need it for a few cuts today to finish my current project. So let's check this thing out. It is 20 volt like all of the other Hercules cordless stuff. This is brushless. So let's see. Okay, this thing's boxed crazy. Instruction manual? Nope. Saw? Nope. What do we got down here? This looks like dust extractor. This looks like saw blade. All right. I like the fact that it comes with a saw blade. Not all saws do. All right, so it does have a good weight to it. Okay, ooh, nice little carrier holdery clip thing. All right, so let's see here. Now there should be tools with this. Here we go. Allen key on board, or Allen wrench on board. Yes. There we go. A little bit of struggle. Figure out which way this thing goes. Okay, there's an arrow on the front that says the blade spins this way. So that means collet in spacer, blade, and there we go. go. Now, one of the things about the battery is for safety. Can't hurt anybody with a battery in it. Some people, including me, sometimes forget to unplug my tools. All right, let's see what we got. Let's take this bad boy outside, huh? That is definitely good enough